you and me now, Reacher! Let me tell you a story, Jack. So, a couple years ago, I'm on safari in the savannah. As the dawn fog as thick as my dead daddy's bankroll, it made the smoke in here look like mist. But through all that soup, I spot this big old rhinoceros. 6,000 pounds, he's an ounce, and he's just sitting there, chewing grass. Now, the rhino knew I was out there. He could sense me, feel me. But it's foggy, the light's bad, and rhinos are nearsighted as hell. And so I just walked right up to his big dumbass and killed him. See, that stupid rhino wasn't smart enough to realize he was overmatched. He thought he could just lumber through life, go wherever he wanted, do whatever he wanted, fuck whoever he wanted, all without consequence. But in life, there's always consequences. There was one for that rhino. That's why his head's up in my daddy's hallway, right next to where yours will go.